Hello friends, now let us continue the lesson. In this video I am going to explain you all about the first activity, that is presence of starch. Okay, how to indicate the presence of starch in leaves. First let us look into the materials required which are required to perform this experiment. Those are beaker, water, leaf, methylated spirit, boiling tube, gauze, tripod stand and Bunsen burner. Okay, now let us look into the procedure how to perform this activity. Okay, let us first of all let us take one beaker. In that beaker take some amount of water. Now take a boiling tube, not a test tube. We have to take a boiling tube because we are using this tube for boiling purpose. So test tube is not needed. We have to take boiling tube. In that boiling tube take some methylated spirit. This is methylated spirit. The water content which is present in this test tube is called methylated spirit. We have to take some amount of methylated spirit in this boiling tube. First, before performing this experiment, we have to take one potted plant and we have to select a leaf from that plant. And we have to take that leaf and put into this methylated spirit. Here, we can observe this leaf. This is leaf. We have to keep that leaf in methylated spirit. This methylated spirit we have to take in boiling tube. Now, we have to keep that boiling tube inside the beaker which is containing water. Here, this markings I have kept now. That is water. So we have first of all we have to take a beaker. In that beaker we have to take some amount of water, and separately we have to select a leaf from a plant, and we have to keep that leaf in a methylated spirit in a boiling tube and keep this boiling tube in water. Now we have to start heating by using Bunsen burner. Okay, now everyone may get a doubt that why we cannot boil the leaf itself in beaker? Why we have to take separately a beaker in that water, and again we have to take a boiling tube, and again we have to pour methylated spirit? We may get a doubt why we can't directly take methylated spirit in the beaker and can boil the leaf. We will not do that because if we directly take methylated spirit in the beaker and we boil the leaf in that methylated spirit, the methylated spirit may catch fire. That's the reason why we have to take some water, and in that water we have to take a boiling tube which is containing a methylated spirit and a leaf. Okay, we have to boil the apparatus for some time. Then after some time we will observe that this leaf which is green in color becomes pale white. This is because due to the removal of chlorophyll. By using this methylated spirit, we will remove chlorophyll from this leaf. Okay, now after doing this, we have to take this leaf in a petri dish. Okay, we have to take that leaf in a petri dish, and by using iodine, we have to add 2 to 3 drops of iodine to that leaf. Okay, and when we are taking that leaf from a methylated spirit, we should be very cautious by taking that and spreading it in the petri dish. After spreading it, we have to take some amount of tincture iodine and add to the leaf. Okay, after some time we will observe that the green color leaf which will turn into black and blue color. So it indicates that presence of starch will be indicated by blue-black color. Okay, result: presence of starch will be indicated by blue-black color. This means that when you will spread that leaf in a petri dish, when we take 2 drops of iodine to that leaf, it will turn into blue-black color. So this indicates that the leaf contain starch. So from this experiment we can conclude that leaves contain starch. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.